Dr. Seuss.
Dr. Seuss, here he comes.
Here we go. Cat in the Hat.
No videotaping on the ride.
Oh, no videotaping?
The Cat in the Hat.
Oh. No videotaping.
Makes jump. We looked and we saw him step in on the mat. We looked and we saw him, the cat in the hat.
Make that cat go away. You do not want to play. He should not be about when your mother is out.
Put the Cat in the Hat.
Look at me! Look at me! I'm the cat! With a cup and a cake on the top of my hat!
This came down the hill. He fell into a pond.
Do I like this? Oh no, I do not! I will pick up the book. You will see something new. Two things. And I call them thing one and thing two. They are tame. Oh, so tame. They will come here to play. They will give you some fun on this wet day.
This is cool.
They should not fly kites in a house. They should not.
They keep
Whoa, they messed up the bathroom.
Mother would say, oh, what would she say? Do you hear? I saw her! Your mother is near! So as fast as you can, think of something to do! You will have to get rid of Big Mother Big Sue!
This ride is cool. The dad's closet and the mom's closet.
So as fast as I could, I went after my net. I bet with my net I can get those things yet.
Oh dear, you do not like our game. What a shame. So fun, so deep and so cold, we cannot pick it up. There's no way to go.
Oh, I remember this
Have no fear of this nest.
Said the cat in the hat.
I bet he has a ride that he'll do here. He wants to do the guide.
Then our mother came in and said to us,
Did you have any fun? Tell me, what did you do?
"Tell about it. Now what should we do?" Well, what would you do if your mother asked